Well, 2 days ago it was like this outside, and it was 30 degrees out, and we got a dump. And then it melted, and it melted fast, and the sap came in really, really quickly. So literally 48 hours later, we got this sucker fired up well into the night, so that by the time morning came, we were ready to start the bottling process. You bet, folks. Check that out. Burning all night long, cooking that sap down after a major snowstorm, and here we are looking at the bricks the next morning after it's cooked down, and it's coming in on the Murphy thermometer just about perfect. It's looking like it needs to be about 59 and a half bricks by the old float method. And sweet, she is done. She is pushing 59 and a half bricks. We've got maple syrup, folks.